If it's not stripped to the bone, it's not renovation. Partial dismantling is called patching up. Only when not a single screw is left is it truly a rebuild. This time, we are passionate about rebuilding this GL450 from the frame to the engine, transforming it completely. This is not a renovation, this is a standard reset.
Clean it thoroughly from the inside out. Next, we will disassemble the equipment.
The entire power system and chassis have been removed from the car. The main issues are severe oil leaks from the oil filter base and radiator, causing the front to be covered in sludge, which is a very common problem. The plastic parts have aged and cracked, and this oil stain is from the transfer case oil seal leaking. Only by completely disassembling it can we see the internal situation. Starting to dismantle the engine. The engine has been disassembled. First, the valve chamber is quite clean, indicating that the previous owner maintained it well. However, the cylinders are in terrible condition. Cylinders 1 to 6 have severe scoring, while only cylinders 7 and 8 are slightly better. So the cylinders need to be rebored and the pistons also need to be replaced. Not only is there loss of original condition, but the side group wear is even more severe than the cylinder wore, visibly uneven to the naked eye. This might be partly due to oil leakage during the combustion period. Now, I understand what it means to be scattered, entering the inventory stage before assembly. With everything spread out like this, you wouldn't know how many parts need replacing to fix it. All that spread out are green onions. The engine cylinder head is completed, the new valve seals have been installed, all parts have been ultrasonically cleaned and look brand new, along with brand new original pistons, sprockets and bearings. All the hardware is ready. It's time for this V8 to be reborn. The mechanical parts are all revived, now entering the painting stage. The inside and outside of the frame are sprayed with original factory silver, using top-grade BASF water-based fluorescent paint to ensure a gloss and mirror-like finish comparable to a new car.
The aging interior is completely reupholstered, restoring the original car's visual and tactile feel from inside to out.
This step is for performing a deep cleaning.
The stars are hidden in every detail. All removed parts must be thoroughly cleaned to completely remove oil and grime.
Renovation completed. Let's see the transformed situation.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.